Hola! The letter G gets students confused about its sound quite often. This episode is totally dedicated to the letter G, G, and how to read it correctly. How to identify when it's a hard G and a soft G. I'm sure that at the end of this video, you'll realize how similar the Portuguese language rules are to the English ones, and therefore easy to understand and apply. If you are learning Portuguese, don't forget to subscribe. I have over 150 videos to help you learn about the Portuguese language and culture. E agora, vamos começar! Let's look at this fun random sentence. O gato guloso do gigante Guilherme comeu o gelado de goiaba do Miguel. One more time, but this time I'll highlight the syllables. O gato guloso do gigante Guilherme comeu o gelado de goiaba do Miguel. Surely you noticed the written G's, but also realized it is read as G in the words gato, goiaba, guloso, Guilherme e Miguel, but read as J in the words gigante and gelado. And those are precisely the two sounds of the letter G in Portuguese. The pronunciation changes according to some very simple rules I'm just about to share. Let's start with the easiest part. G always sounds like G when it's followed by a consonant with which it forms a consonant cluster, meaning no vowel included. Just like in English, in words like global, global, grande, big, gnomo, gnome. So it is easy to figure out that the big difference is the combination of the letter G with vowels or diphthongs. So let me walk you through the other sound of the letter. G followed by E or I, when combined with one of these two vowels or a diphthong formed by them, the sound changes to the soft J. The same sound as the letter J, which in Portuguese only has one sound. Just like in English, words like gigante, giant, girafa, giraffe, magia, magic, or analgésico, analgesic, GE, GI, GU, GEI, and GIU, and all other possible combinations will always have the G sounding like J. That means that any other combination with vowels or diphthongs will have the G sound. Now let's take a look at G followed by A, O, or U. G combined with A or diphthongs beginning with A like gato, cat, galinha, chicken, gaivota, seagull, or Portugal. G combined with O or diphthongs beginning with O in words like golfinho, dolphin, goiaba, guava, or gota, drop. G combined with U in the words guloseimas, candy, água, water, or agudo, acute. But what about the word Portuguese? Well, when you need to have the hard sound G, but the combination vowel is an E or an I, you just add a muted U, and you get that sound, forming the combination GUE, GUI, read like G and GI, just like you do in English for words like league or guilt. Here are some examples. Guerra, war, figueira, fig tree, guia, guide, águia, eagle. Now this happens when the GUI and the GUE are in the same syllable. In some words, you might see this word order, but the U and the I or E are divided in different syllables. In those fewer common cases, you do read the U, like in linguiça, the name of the Portuguese sausage, pinguim, penguin in Portuguese. I hope you found this video helpful. Do you feel more confident reading and pronouncing the letter G now? Share with me in the comments below. Até para a semana!